everyone, welcome to my next video for my mobile home life. Today I'm going to be reviewing a very handy product that I think anyone who at least has chainsaws should have. The company is called Hipa, H-I-P-A. Now if I mispronounced it, I apologize. I will put a link in the description below that will link you to this product as well. So let's get going with the review, and I'll explain why I like this so much for my setup. Alright, I have in addition to a couple of chainsaws, which from time to time need tuning, I also have two different type of push mowers. I have a riding lawn mower, but my main issue has been these two chainsaws. Not really a big issue in that when they need a tune-up or when they need an adjustment, I've never had the right tools to do it, and that's where this is going to come in very handy. This company was really great enough to send this right out to me. Now it's going to be a few months before I actually get into doing my spring work, but nevertheless, I'm going to show you this. I really like this. I think it's got a good price point. Alright, this is a Carburator adjustment bag. It has 14 different tools. It comes in a very convenient carry case. It takes up very little space, so it's not going to take up a lot in my small workshop, which is very handy. I do have a tool chest which has narrow drawers. Sorry, I should correct that, shallow drawers. So this will fit right in, or I can take it with me. It's a pretty decent case. It opens up very easily. There we go. Okay, as you can see inside, it's very nicely organized. I deliberately, ahead of time, I turned these tools so that the labels can all be seen. It's easily readable. This kit is designed to handle a variety of different models. In my case, I have a Poulan, I have a Husqvarna, and again, the issue I've had is finding the right tools in my workshop to do adjustments as needed, and that's where this is going to come in very handy. Okay, so also, as you can see, since these are fairly small in size, they don't need to be large. They're actually quite comfortable to handle. Alright, since there are quite a wide variety of models out there, the other reason I'm going to include the still shots is so that you can see all of the measurements, the styles that are on here. You can also see that from the link below in the description. That way you can be sure that whatever model you have, let's just use chainsaws for examples, you can check to see to make sure that this will be suitable to do the adjustments that you need. It's not a bad price point. I believe at the time of doing this video it's just under 20. So I've already had a request from my brother to borrow this, which I'm more than happy to let him do that. So again, this is the small case. I think this is pretty handy to have, and I almost forgot to show you what's included if you do need to do any cleaning at all. Let me just put this right back in here. Alright, just to give you an idea of some of the compatibility with this, again, I'll include the link below. Different models for like Zama, Walbro, STHIL, Husqvarna, Craftsman, Poulan, Weedeater, Echo. There's a lot more listed. I don't have to list them all here for you, but I think you get the point of just really how handy this can be. I hope you found this video educational and looking for something that I think would be pretty helpful in any small workshop, especially like mine, or even if you're working outside somewhere and you need to take it with you. It's easy to carry. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out the description below for information and links.